you understand? Your love is so one in a million. It goes on and on.
Hey YouTube! Okay, so I'm back with another video a year later, but like, we back. So let's talk about what we're doing today. We're gonna do a makeup tutorial because people have been asking me, you know, what I'd be doing to my face to make it so flawless. But yeah, I'm gonna show you. So let's get into the video.
First things first, where is my moisturizer? I'm gonna put this on my face. From moisturizer, primer, whatever you wanna call it. Then we're gonna rub it in.
Look at the scars on my forehead. Not appealing. I'm sorry, but it's life. So after you do the moisturizer, you're gonna want to do your eyebrows because, yeah, just because. For the eyebrows, I use... Okay, so I use this, and then I use my spoolie. Yeah, so I use these two to do my brows, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. First things first, you're gonna... Okay, and then you're just gonna brush your eyebrows up. Not down, not sideways, up. Like so. Look at that. Then you're just gonna shape them how you want them to look. Perfect.
Alright, so I haven't done that brow off camera because maybe I've been like, yeah, I don't know what I've been doing. So, I'm gonna use that. Oh, wrong thing. I'm gonna use the NYX professional makeup, no, brow tint pencil. And it has this little, what's it called? Tip. And then you're just gonna make real strokes like your eyebrows.
Okay, they should look like this. You see how they look like real brows and not
like boxy, you know.
saying.
Okay, so to clean them up, I use this Maybelline or whatever activewear super stay, yeah, concealer. I don't recommend. Then I use this like brush, this like, I don't know where this is from, probably from like a drugstore or something, but yeah, we use that.
Okay, so after you're done, you know, carving them out, just gonna drag it down. Look at those brows. Yeah. Okay, so I forgot to put my freaking contacts in. So we're gonna see how this works. Usually when I do my contacts, it don't go well. So I should film this because like I'd be like so freaking
Frustrated when it doesn't work.
I'm gonna film it actually. Okay, just go two ways. Head or good.
Oh, good. Good. We're good.
Okay, so that went smooth. Now let's see if the other one goes as smooth as that one did.
Come on, buddy.
Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, yes, I'm excited. Usually I cry for like 5 minutes. That went good. Proud of myself.
So now we're gonna do the foundation stuff. Use this Fit Me foundation in that color. Then I use this Pro Touch full cover concealer, and then I blend them together to make my color. Okay, so that's all blended in, and then I'm going to use this Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation contour. And then we're just going to put dots like that. I don't don't even know if I do this right, but it works for me, I guess. I'm just gonna do that. And I do my clean contour before I do my concealer.
Yeah, I just did the nose contour. I don't even know where I left off at because of the music.
Okay, once that's done, I'm gonna use the same concealer I used for my face, but I'm just gonna put this in the inner corner part, and then I'm gonna put this one, you know, for the rest.
Then we're gonna let it dry for like just a couple seconds so it's full coverage.
For my powder, I use this, but it's broken, obviously. I couldn't get it out. I couldn't get it open, so I had to break it like that. But yeah, I use that. So my phone cut off because I didn't have enough storage, so I just bake my face with that powder, and then I'm gonna use this Morphe. It's so old, I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna use this for our, what's it called? Bronzer. I just want to put on the
cheeks.
Okay, now we're gonna do some blush. And I don't know where this is from because my mom got it for me for Christmas. Oh yeah, blush is so pretty. And I love blush, so we're gonna put it. So next I'm gonna do my eyeliner. And I use this CoverGirl. I don't recommend. I don't. Then we're gonna do my highlighter. I use, it's called Stay Glassy, or is it called Fix My Halo? I don't know. It's this hard candy. We use this highlighter.
But for my lips, I use a bold brown eyeliner pencil. Yeah, don't judge. I mean, I think it looks better. And I'm just outline them. Nothing too major.
For the inside, I'm using the color Natural, and I'm just gonna put it in the middle like that. Look how nice it looks. Now we're gonna curl the lashes, the mascara, then I'm gonna just put on some lashes. Okay, this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, I love different lighting. Okay. Alright guys, so that concludes my makeup tutorial video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video.
Bye, have a great time.